He wants it to drain, Mom.
Go play in it. Go play, Lacey.
See?
Go get some water. Go get the water. Go get the water. Go get it. Go get it.
Cousin Crazy. You gotta go play. Wee, wee. Yeah.
Your hat. Your hat is soaked.
Look.
Airplane. Go touch it. Go touch it. No.
Wee.
Yeah, I don't think she'd like the sprinkler.
Hat.
Hat.
Put it back on him.
It's soaked. Come on, Lacey.
A splash.
E.T.
Come touch it. Come touch it. No.
Wee.
You want to fill this one up? Watch. The water's nice and warm now, so he's loving it. Are you too cold? You're cold. Your whole shirt's wet. We got to take you inside.
Ah, see? Josh are having fun.
Come on.
Let's see.
Come see.
I think you're blowing the spray around.
I totally didn't mean to.
You silly boy. He's trying to get
Mmm. Here. Here. Come here.
Okay.
Huh?
Come here, Lacey. I'm giving it to Lacey. Give it to Lacey.
Huh?
No.
She wants to, but then she walks in the water. And,
Maybe put her shoes on. Go put her Crocs on.
Got your shoes on?
Go grab them. Watch this. Dump water on that. Look. Whoa, do this.
Right now.
Head?
Oh, yeah. Do it right up to it now.
Oh, you don't like your feet wet, you silly little girl.
shoes.
He wants his head in there. Say bye.
Bye.